I'm going to tell you the simplest way to start actually making sales with your content. It might surprise you and it might not, because you've probably been following for a while and you've probably heard me say it. But just like your customer has to hear things 7 to 12 times to be able to make a buying decision, you have to hear things 7 to 12 times to actually let them sink in and start putting them into working your business. Start being very specific with the transformation you can provide to your ideal client. I'm going to give you an example right here. This video is speaking directly to her ideal client, and it just happened to show up in my feed today, and I'm so excited for her. But not hundreds of views, because again, views don't matter. I want to say when I saw it, it was less than 200 views, but it had over 5 comments of people commenting her keyword, give me more information, help me. When is the last time you had 5 people in your comments section that wanted more information about what you have to offer, saying, I'm ready, help me? Probably been a hot minute, if ever. So again, it's not about creating content that's trendy or content that gets you all these views. It's about creating content that speaks directly to that person. Because I don't care if your video gets 200 views. If it has 10 people in the comments that are saying, sign me up. Now, will every one of those people buy? Probably not. You gotta sift and sort through a lot of people to get buyers. But when you're speaking directly to your ideal client, you're creating an audience of buyers, not just consumers. And it actually resonated with them enough for them to comment and say, sign me up. It's that simple. But in order to do that, you have to start digging deeper. You have to go past the surface level digital marketing jargon that you've been taught and start speaking to your ideal client's internal pains and desires. And if you need more help with this, I have a free checklist over on IG. DM me the word checklist on IG or drop it on any of my reels over there and it will come straight to your inbox. But it's 7 steps that can help you audit your content to see if you're speaking directly to your ideal client.